Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about a problem called can't sleep. So are you facing like you want to sleep at night, but most of the time you are not able to sleep, and because of it your day is must be unproductive, just because you feel like so much weakness and tiredness, just because of you can't sleep at the night. You don't sleep at the night, and there is two things. First is you can't sleep, and second is you don't sleep. So both are a problem. uh, Firstly, see which one is really a problem or which one is just a choice. So you don't sleep at the night because of um, maybe you're scrolling, watching something on Netflix, YouTube, movies वगैरह, or you are studying so good, or anything that you are doing, you are not sleeping, and it's okay if you know that it's I have to do this work and I'm not sleeping, so it's fine. Okay, it's totally fine. And if you do it for a long time, then you will see that now it's become a habit. If you really want to sleep at the night, you still don't sleep. You're just not able to sleep, just because you are just feeling like I'm not feeling like sleepy, so I'm not sleeping seriously. So here is a fact that we are just pretend, or we have designed like that we must have to sleep at night, must have to sleep at night. Okay. uh, if you are not feeling sleepy, then you feel guilt in it, just because you are not sleeping. You just feel like everyone is sleeping, and see, I'm not able to sleep, and la 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 la. So problem. Firstly, just uh, remove this thing to you from your mind, that it's too much big thing or a problem if you're not sleeping. Okay. See, if your body really don't want, you don't feel like sleepy, so the simple mean is it's not tired and it's not need sleep. Okay. If you ever, it's just imagine it's 2 or 3 a.m. at night and you are still not feeling sleepy, so chill, it's not that much big problem. Do something. If you're not feeling sleepy, that means your body is not so tired and you really don't need sleep. So do something like, if you really have any kind of work and you feel like, yeah, I can do this, so do, it's perfect. Or if you're not feel like you can do a work or you should do a work, so you can watch a movie, you read something, or you talk to something if they are also awake. But it's not a problem if you don't sleep today, and and you are a student or you are a corporate worker, anything, you have to work the next morning, and when you will try it, and the next night you will automatically sleep. The not sleeping will become a reason of your sleep. So it's not that much big problem. If you're not feeling sleepy, so okay, it's just okay. Say your mind, yeah, I'm fine. If you're not feeling sleepy, I can do work. My body is not right, so okay, it's okay. Don't take anything like, see, it's a generation, it's a environment we are feeling. Everyone is like in depression, is anxiety, in stress. So very small symptoms are, we can feel like, if I have this, maybe I have the anxiety, maybe I have something like I can't sleep, then something is wrong with me. So please just normalize this thing. Okay. It's too normal that we knew that everyone advised that it's very good thing to wake up early in the morning and do things. Yeah, it's productive, just because there are so much peace in the morning. But if you're not able to wake up in the morning, so you can do work in night, and it's totally fine, totally fine. There is nothing like you will be less productive. There is nothing like that. See what we have to do, just normalize things, just normalize things. If you're not feeling sleepy, just don't sleep. Do when anything that you can do that time. Yeah, do. You are not stressed. If you are not feeling sleepy, it's mean you are stressed. No, nothing like that. And if you are really stressed, then see, stress is a good thing. And I'm not that much positive girl. Like, if you see my last video, I said overthinking is a good thing, not sleeping is also a normal thing, it's a good thing. And if you're feeling stressed, it's also a good thing. The what is wrong, like, so yeah, the all things are good and I can explain to you. And yeah, about stress we will talk in next video. But here is just we focus on not sleeping at the night. So it's normal, it's totally okay. The simple meaning of not sleeping is your body is not that much tired. If you will try too much now, then you will just you will sleep. You will sleep. If you're tired, you will sleep. You don't need to do any efforts for sleep. Okay. And if you're not feeling sleepy, just do something. Just do something. And please don't think like, if you're not sleeping, and so if I'm watching a movie, I'm wasting my time and I can do. If you really want to do something, if you want to, if you can, if you're able to do some kind of work, then you can do, and then you do. It's okay. But if you're really not feeling at that time, firstly you have the stress that I'm not feeling sleepy, and secondly you will give you stress like, if I will watch a movie, then it's a waste of time, then it will be more dramatic, I think. So just normalize things. Just say yourself, it's fine. It's fine. If you're not feeling sleepy, I can watch movie and it's fine. All I want to say is, if you're not feeling sleepy, just don't sleep. Do something. Don't stop taking stress for everything. Okay? There is so much things to for you should take stress. So very little things, just ignore them or just normalize them. Okay? Have a beautiful life.